Made it to my hotel. Room 510. Where's that at? Nice room for the next few days. Oh, this is cool. All right. Ew. Let's get settled into. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna rest or not. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. Very nice day out here in Bali. It is so cool. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Let's go and find out what Bali has to offer here within the next couple of days. So, let's see. I'm gonna go and rent out a motorbike so I can kind of scout the area and see what I can do here in Bali. That would give me time to like see the area faster, easier, I guess, in a way. But the waves are really, really nice. Yep, this is it. Let's go check it out. Got a coconut, which I haven't had for a long time. I think the last time was in Cambodia. Yeah, so it'd be nice to have one right now. Oh, that feels nice. That was fun. I didn't get to surf because the waves are too high for me. So I didn't get to surf. But it's okay. We're here, so I just arrived, and you have to order food first, and then go snorkeling, and then you come back and eat. I'm gonna get the nasi goreng, I guess. That would be nice. Just one meal and one drink per person.
This some bread for feeding fish and fish come to you.
Okay.
It's many fish. Special fish named Nemo. Okay, move to blue.
Yeah, you're good. Oh yeah. Here we go. Another day, another adventure. Going snorkeling. We got 2 spots, and yeah, be nice.
I think you more see fish, see coral. Maybe you can more again.
Alright, so we're at the same spot. Okay, the other is not good for snorkeling. There's a lot of huge waves. So we're at the same spot. Hopefully we can get some good footage. Maybe out of the turtle, so it's okay. So that was very nice. There was 3 turtles today in one spot. So it's an awesome trip out here. That was like an hour per session. An hour for the whole session. 30 minutes each. That was awesome. Now, I think we're loading up and heading back to shore. Back to shore. That was an awesome trip. 2 hours away from the city. It's very nice. Was worth it for sure. Now time for lunch. I'm starving.